Hello, hello. I am going to show you guys how to create your list of 62, and this is going to be something that you're going to use to go ahead and reach all of your contacts, and that way you can go ahead and get a huge list of women ready to party with you. So are you ready? You're going to go on to TOT, and up here where it says for new consultants, go ahead and click on that. This is going to take you to where you're going to print up a document. And so if you go ahead and scroll down, you'll see step 2. And I'm assuming you guys have already done step 1, but you're going to go down to step 2, and it says who do you know list. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. We're going to open that up. Hopefully my computer doesn't take too long here. And basically what you're doing is you're just generating a list of women that you want to have a conversation about 31. You want to let them know what you're doing, you want to share your excitement, and you want them to know that this is something that they want to do with you. They want to party with you. And so, of course, it's going to take forever, right? Here we go. It's almost there. 3/4, oh, well, not quite, maybe 60% of the way. But you're going to contact these women and let them know that you're excited about your new business venture, and that if they party with you, they're going to just have tons of rewards as a hostess. And I feel like a lot of times people really want to help you out anyway when you are starting something new. And my computer's working really slow here. It's almost there. Almost. Come on, computer. I apologize. There it is. Okay, so this is your who do you know list, and earlier you heard me say list of 62, and that's what we used to call it, and now an updated version is called this who do you know list. And basically you are going to be working through your Franks list. Okay, so what are Franks? It is, as we scroll down, if it's going to let me scroll down, it really scrolled down. Okay, let me go back up here so you guys can see it. I apologize, this is not working the way I want it to, but sometimes that's what happens, right? With technology, it is fantastic, and there we go. Okay, so Franks are your friends, your relatives, your acquaintances, your neighbors, your kid connections, and your spouse connections. So you're going to have somebody from each of these groups, and as you scroll down, here is where you're going to jot everybody down. So what I would do, and this is what I've done even since, sometimes when I feel like I need a refresher or I need to book parties, I will go ahead and reference this list. And so you can update it. It's an ever-changing list. And you're going to go ahead and put their name, their phone number, and their email. Print it up, and that way you have it that you can look back onto it. And once you have this list together, like I said, you're going to go ahead and you're going to contact those women and let them know that they want to party with you. Okay, but I want to go back into this screen onto TOT actually, and there's another list that I would like you guys to see. I'm just going to go ahead and type it in here. It's called, let's see, oh look, who do you know list. We're going to search that up. And a lot of times when I can't find something, I'll just go ahead and go in here to this little search bar here, and then I can type it in. And this is going to bring up something else. It's the updated who do you know list and celebrate now. So go ahead and click on that when you are on in your back office. Okay, so this is the same thing using the Franks list, but it takes it a step further. And so you can go into here and you'll see here that this got in the way, but right here you're going to do not only your friends, but now you're going to think of right here it says friends, relatives, and my relatives' friends. So you're going to take it a little bit further. So here, again, the R in Franks is for relatives. Now you're going to think of the people that know your relatives that maybe you don't know, but maybe it's somebody that works with your mom and you think that she may like 31. Or maybe it's just somebody that's working with a relative of yours that you can contact and say, hey, can I go ahead and share my 31 business with her? Do you think that she would enjoy that? And you're just going to go down the list, and with each of those groups of people that we talked about earlier in your Franks list, you're just going to take it a step further, like I said, and think of their associates or their acquaintances, and you can build your list. So I hope that helps you, and as you keep scrolling down, you're going to see this Celebrate Now list. So I don't know if you're aware, but for every 10 no's, you're going to get a yes. And that's standard. And in the 31 world, if you don't know, we are actually, our average is a little bit better. And I believe we are 1 in 9. So our average is a little bit better. And I would print this out too. And like I said, I still reference this stuff. And when I need to book those parties, I will print this out and I will go ahead and write in here my 10 no's. And so, you know, sometimes it doesn't feel so good when people say no to you. But you have to hear the no's to get the yeses. And so every time you get a no, you're going to celebrate that, and you're going to go ahead and write those people's names down in these boxes. So, you know, you're getting that much closer to a yes once you go through all these no's. Anyhow, I hope that this helps you, and I hope you find it useful. And once you get that done and you get through all your no's, you'll feel better about it.